Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Isinamu Valiabuga. It's the Hustler.
The chairman of Okuka Extension Brand.
Yeah.
Liasigwa liamila.
Yeah.
Sazobuwa liabu.
Yeah.
Chance. Yabona le team le.
Yeah. Ayingi.
Ansazi ngithini.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
Sibo lento yethu le.
Yes.
Bangazama bathi bayizama lento yethu.
Amabhakani.
Sibo. Yabona I have this German. I'm driving a German car.
Yeah, matwa.
Yeah, and I'm gonna brand it to yellow.
Yeah.
I'm driving a German car. So to Asdalila. It's gonna be yellow.
Yes.
It's gonna be yellow.
The best.
It's gonna be yellow. I'm always happy.
Yeah.
I'm always happy.
All the time.
All the time.
It's the league gone. Yeah.
It's gone, Sibu.
It's done.
The league is ours, Sibu.
Yes.
It's ours.
Yes.
And the league is ours, Sibu. Definitely. I'm gonna brand my car. My car is gonna be yellow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
won this thing.
I need to follow you,
I haven't gone to here.
And then follow you, Kabuyelo, Masanda, Kabuyelo, 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 I'm a Sundown supporter. Mara, my man of the match today. Philip. Angazi ukuthi kuPirates ubani kauta kubona upheka zonke. Ukhulula into lefana nale. Kose basibheke bona. Basifunde bona. Enye into ufuna ukuyisho sibone. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. On Sunday you winning. Noma bekungabona kalibenzani mara bawinile mara. And the people will travel there because it's your job. Mara, deep down. Boke kuye la. Boke kuye la. Yofuna la. Aknapona. Kuyakulaba ye-arena. Laba bathi baneyini. Bathi Amstel Arena. Mkhukhulo. Akusi Amstel Arena. Amstel Arena amasita bane screen yemuva. We know arena. No. This is arena. Yes. This is the arena. Hayi nomkhukhulo. Yabo ngasibo. Thank you, Master.